Welcome to the ultimate guide to the vegan diet, where we'll explore everything you need to know about this lifestyle choice. So, what exactly is a vegan diet? Essentially, it's a way of living that aims to exclude all forms of animal exploitation and cruelty. This means no meat, no poultry, no fish, no dairy products, and even no eggs. But why go vegan? Well, there are numerous benefits. Firstly, it's better for the environment. Animal agriculture is a leading cause of deforestation and greenhouse gas emissions. By adopting a vegan diet, you can significantly reduce your carbon footprint. Secondly, a vegan diet can greatly improve your health. Numerous studies have shown that a plant-based diet can lower the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Plus, it can help maintain a healthy weight and boost overall vitality. Now, you may be wondering if it's possible to get enough protein on a vegan diet. Absolutely. While meat is a common source of protein, there are plenty of plant-based alternatives. Foods like tofu, tempeh, lentils, and chickpeas are packed with protein to meet your daily needs. It's also important to ensure you're meeting your nutritional requirements. A vegan diet can provide you with all the necessary vitamins and minerals if well balanced. Key nutrients to pay attention to are iron, calcium, vitamin B12, and omega-3 fatty acids. Transitioning to a vegan lifestyle can seem daunting, but take it step by step. Start by incorporating more fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains into your meals. Experiment with new recipes and try vegan alternatives to your favorite dishes. Remember, the vegan diet is more than just a trend. It's a compassionate way of living that respects animals, the planet, and your own well-being. Embrace this sustainable and ethical lifestyle choice and make a positive impact with every bite. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips on transitioning to a vegan diet. Together, we can make a difference.